In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on Godaddy. Keeping your payment information updated is important for managing domain renewals, hosting plans, and other website services without interruptions. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Godaddy website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your Godaddy account credentials and log in to your dashboard. After signing in successfully, you'll have access to all your domains, hosting plans, and account settings. From here, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or account name. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account management. Now select Account Settings or Payment Settings depending on your current Godaddy layout. Once inside the Account Settings area, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Click on Payment Methods to view all the payment options currently connected to your account. Now click the Add Payment Method button. Godaddy will display different payment options you can add, such as credit cards, debit cards, or PayPal depending on your region. Select the payment method you want to use and carefully enter the required information. If you're adding a card, you'll typically need to enter the cardholder name, card number, expiration date, billing address, and security code. Double-check all the information before continuing to avoid billing issues later. After reviewing the details, click Save, Add, or Confirm depending on the page layout. Godaddy may ask you to complete an additional verification step for security purposes. Once the process is complete, you should see a confirmation message showing that your payment method has been successfully added to your account. Your new payment method can now be used for renewals, hosting purchases, domain registrations, and other Godaddy services. And that's it. You've successfully added a payment method on Godaddy. Thanks for watching and goodbye.